Hi, this is Terry, and we are in Tucker Cove in Babcock Ranch. Remember, I'm really promoting the town of Babcock Ranch. It is such an awesome community, and I've been watching it from when it started in infancy to now. A week or two ago, we came out here to Tuckers Cove, which I think is an up-and-coming, great little community within inside the town of Babcock, and that's a Lennar community. And now we are in the sales center with Lennar, and I have Shawn Ruhlman here, who is an awesome sales rep with Lennar that we'd like to introduce.
Oh.
And let Shawn tell you how long he's been with Lennar, and then Shawn's going to give us more information on the Tucker Cove. He's got some visuals here before we go out and look at some of the models. So Shawn, tell us about Tucker Cove and why you like it.
Thanks, Terry. So I've been with Lennar since 2008 and worked in many Lennar communities, but this is definitely the crown jewel of everywhere I've worked. Tuckers Cove represents about 2,150 doors in total, and 5 different product lines. We have homes that range townhomes from the mid 200s to twin villas in the high 200s. So there's a price we haven't seen in a while.
Right, right.
Then also we move into 2-car garage homes with no pool for those extremely low 400s, perhaps even wiggle into the high 300s if they're complete. Okay. With pools, we add another 100 to that. Sometimes we get discounts on it, but you're really looking at in the higher 4s for a 2-car with a pool, maybe closer to mid 4s. 3-car garage homes, both 1-story and 2-story. We move all the way up into the estate homes at our highest price points in the 700 and 800,000s with a pool.
With a pool. Okay.
So we really represent every product type that there is, which is great because we all have different buyers in different situations and circumstances, and what one person needs and wants, someone does not. So we have everything. Here, we are looking at about a 15-acre site, I believe, and we created sort of an island for our amenities. Centerpiece of it is the Shipwreck Tavern Bar and Grill. This is a restaurant exclusive to Tuckers Cove and its residents. And
feels like a pirate ship.
It is, yes. It is. So if you get an email from me, you'll see me dressed as a pirate.
I was going to say, the whole community feels like the pirates are coming.
That's right. We have a bar here, and then in the restaurant underneath here in the cantina, we have another bar and kind of a beachy, open island feel restaurant.
Do they have a time period of when that's going to be open?
Labor Day.
This Labor Day,
this
September.
Labor Day. This awesome. Labor Day.
Awesome.
Yep. So, and then you've got also arcade for kids, coffee shop, fitness center, so no more gym memberships. We've got the Airnasium, which is an
what is that?
Indoor basketball court.
Airnasium. We were debating on what that was. Yeah. Airnasium. It's like, do they do parachuting in there?
Yeah.
So it's just an indoor basketball court.
And the walls roll up on the sides.
Awesome.
Yep.
Okay. Cool.
Flanked over here is the clubhouse, which will just be a series of rooms that people can use for different activities. 8 tennis courts, 8 pickleball courts, 4 of them are underneath the covered roof. Field, events field, multi-purpose field with a music pavilion at the end. Putt-putt golf course. Playground for children. A beach, and that beach has a fire pit, beach volleyball, tiki pavilion, right in front of the resort pool, the lap pool, kayak and canoe launches. Quite nice.
Do they actually get in the water here? Or
no, it's
okay,
actually fenced because we have alligators in Florida. But they do have kayak and canoe launches there.
Cool.
I have also outside basketball courts, dog parks, really a little bit of everything. So we're moving fast on the construction. Like I said, opening in Labor Day of this year for most of it. A few pieces will carry into next year, but it's really exciting.
Oh, that is so exciting.
Yeah.
We got all these pictures over here.
Got some shots here. We've got there you go with the ship and the bar.
Oh, wow.
Themed. It's a themed resort, so it's really super cool. You've got the splash pad, the slides in the beach and the lazy river. There's our fitness center, and there's the Airnasium.
Awesome.
Arcade for children, coffee shop, big events field. Just pretty amazing, actually. It's the biggest amenity we've ever built in Southwest Florida
That's what I
as a
thought.
division.
Yep. That's what being in various Lennar communities, that really took my eye. And then with Jaden here actually living in here, it was like, okay, let's see this.
And really, you know, but Tucker's Cove is just really the icing on the cake or the cherry on top, because Babcock Ranch in itself, for those who don't know about Babcock Ranch is a multitude of town centers, 3 town centers in total. So each town center will have a Publix grocery store in it, businesses and restaurants in them.
In each town
In
center.
each
So
town
Midtown,
center. Right.
then Discovery, Foundry, that part. And then what's the third one called?
Easttown.
Easttown. So they all will have their own. Didn't know that.
So
Learned something new.
the whole idea of Babcock Ranch is you're jumping on a golf cart and you're getting, you know, going to the restaurants, going to the amenities, going to the grocery store, going to the businesses, all on golf carts, because they're all reachable within minutes of each other.
Awesome.
So the car is really a secondary thing. It's all kind of golf cart idea.
Okay, all right. And then I've seen a lot of the e-bikes and the e-scooters, and not just kids riding them, adults riding them. I mean, a mixture. I know there was a meeting I think this past Thursday, where they're going to talk about that, because like any city, there's got to be some rules and regulations and guidelines, but it'll be interesting to see how all that unfolds. But it's been an impressive city, that's for sure.
Yeah,
when
and
I've
let's
been out
not
here.
forget, we're solar powered
Oh, that's right.
in
Yep.
Babcock Ranch.
Yep.
So when those hurricanes come, and they will, and they have, and they do, we don't lose power here. We haven't ever lost power here, and it's not because we're solar powered, but our FPL plant 4 miles down the road has underground natural gas backup. So that can't really be affected by hurricanes, and
Right,
we don't
because
lose
it's
power
underground.
here. So that's a huge thing. If you've ever been without power for a week or two, it's not a fun.
No, it's not. Been
No,
there.
no AC in the summertime. in
No
Florida.
fridge, no ice. Yep, nope, that's not good.
Yeah, so that's
That
good.
is awesome. Well, I know you have some clients coming in
Yep.
because you're a busy salesperson here at Lennar, but we're going to do the tour of the models. But I really do appreciate the fact that you took the time, 1, to let us in and invite us in, and 2, to do this explanation. This
Absolutely.
was far better than
Yeah.
I could have done.
Absolutely.
Thanks a lot,
Thank you.
Shawn.
All right,
Thank
thanks.
you.